What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So iPhone 14 Pro is shown on both sides in two classic colors. Apple moves to dual notch screens. Chinese sources have published a high quality image of the new iPhone 14 Pro smartphone in classic gold and grey. The 3D model has been faithfully recreated from the blueprints and matches the mock-ups that the case manufacturers already have. Recall that in the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, Apple is switching to using screen with two cutouts, while the younger versions, the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max will still receive screen with a large notch cutout. In addition, the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max screens use adaptive refresh rate technology, which automatically adjusts the screen refresh rate based on what is displayed on the screen. This ensures smooth operation and saves energy. The iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max will use last year's Apple A15 single chip system, while the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will use the new Apple A16 mobile platform. In terms of cameras, the Pro and Pro Max models will get a 48 megapixel image sensor and support for 8K video recording. Today, it was reported that the new iPhone 14 will receive a significantly updated front camera system. Yes, this is one of the most important improvements in the iPhone 14. The smartphone will receive a significantly updated front camera. We are talking about adding an autofocus system. Renowned analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has released details on the biggest front-facing camera upgrade in years that will come to the iPhone 14. Apple will add an autofocus system to the front camera of the iPhone 14, which will significantly improve the quality of selfies and videos. Suppliers will be Genius and Cowell. The front camera aperture of the iPhone 14 is reported to be f1.9. Key hardware upgrades include the addition of a new VCM driver supplied by Alps and Luxshare, and a move to a 6-lens 6P plastic lens versus the existing 5P. Lenses will be supplied by Genius and Largan. It is worth noting that the overall share of shipments of Genius lenses for the iPhone 14 will be higher than that of Largan. This is the first time that order distribution for new Genius lenses for iPhone has surpassed Largan. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.